pupunta ako at saka si baby Sofia sa hospital kasi nagsusuka siya simula gabi hanggang ngayon alas 11:46 na hanggang ngayon simula gabi. So walang laman talaga yung tiyan niya, so pupunta na kami ng hospital para i-check kung anong meron sa kanyang tiyan. At saka before puntang hospital, punta muna ako sa Walmart kasi may bibilhin ako importante para bukas. Wala na kasing avocado si Dion, ubus na, at saka snacks ni Michael sa school schedule niya bukas. So alright, mag-drive muna ako, mamaya ulit pagdating namin. I need the SD card.
Oh, okay. The key. I'll be right there.
Yes, please.
Stop your waiting.
Can you do it?
Can we get also shoot?
Hello? Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can do this here.
Put this there. I don't have a scale here.
Yeah, right. Okay, that's it.
Thank you.
Oh. I stand one in one. Here, excuse me. Sorry. There's that. And when you look, there's a number on it. 4312. You go look up item. Look up items, and then you type stuff right there, and you type in 4312. Enter. You got 3 of them. Alright guys, so andito na kami sa loob ng sasakyan. Ako ay nagutom, no? Kakain muna ako nito. Cheese bread. Oh my gosh, nanghingi yung anak ko. Oh, I'm sorry anak, you cannot eat anything because you're gonna throw it up. You cannot eat anything for now because you're gonna throw it up. We're gonna go to the doctor first. I'm sorry you're hungry, but...
Your destination is on the right.
Yeah, I'm sorry, baby. You fix it? Give it to mommy. I'm gonna fix it. Give it. Alright guys, so nakalabas na kami ng hospital. Alright, labas na kami. Goodbye na, hospital. So guys, magpagas muna ako bago uwi. So oh, so bright. Magpagas muna ako, no? Kasi kailangan kong magpagas. Ang mahal ng gas. 70 plus ang gas. So, i-full tank na lang natin to para wala na tayong alalahanin. So, yan yung price ng gas. 371. Unleaded, 376. Oh my gosh. Tingnan na lang natin to. Yan muna natin. Buksan muna natin. Remove nozzle. Lagay muna natin to, no? Tapos 376. Ayan, foiling Sofia. Galing hospital lang, baby. So, habang maghihintay tayo, tambay muna tayo sa loob ng sasakyan. Habang magantay tayo na mapuno. Oops. It's done. All done. 19.66 Byron. 19.66. Okay. Okay, so we're going now. Baby, are you ready, baby? Baby. Now we're gonna go home na, baby. Ready? Bye. Hello. Oh, open. Hi, Dion. Hi, Dion. What you got? Can I see?
Ants, Mama! They're
She got-
ants!
She got ants. Oh wow, that's cool. Ants. How are you? How was your school?
Good.
Good.
And I eat some candy, Starburst,
Starburst.
because they weren't the best and I found them.
Okay. Are you gonna give me the traffic? Traffic over there. Alright, Dion, turn it on.
What's it stop at?
It's black.
Why? Okay.
Why?
With the orange at the middle.
Alright. Alright, turn it on. Alright, Dion. Thank you. Thank you. Mommy gonna guide, okay? Okay, Dion. You gonna guide, Mommy? Okay. What? Okay. Go.
Garage.
In the garage. Alright. In the garage, Dion. Oh, not yet, not yet. Alright. Thank you, Dion. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, follow, like, and comment. See you on my next vlog.